quite cute. That's kind of cute. Okay, I look like I'm going out, but honestly, it's like 9 o'clock at night. Today I'm going to be trying the Kiss FALSCARA. These have gone viral on TikTok. Not too many YouTubers have reviewed it yet, but we're going to try it on today. So these are pretty much do-it-yourself lash extensions at home. I personally really love lash extensions because they just make me look so good. And honestly, I don't have that budget to be doing my eyelashes every 3 weeks. It's so pretty, and I have tried every other way to try to replicate how that looks on my eyes. I've tried expensive lashes like Lily lashes. I've tried gluing the eyelash under my eye with like duo glue, and I just think that's really uncomfortable for my eyes. I did it the other day and it just pretty much felt like my eyes weren't fully closing. But apparently these won't feel that way. So I couldn't get the starter kit because it was sold out at Walgreens. I got the lifting wisps. There were also other types of lashes there, such as like the voluminizing ones. But like I felt like these curled the most, and I really love curly lashes. I also purchased the bonding glue and sealing glue. I'm not sure if they're glue, but... And I also got the removing solution. The FALSCARA wisps were $7 at Walgreens. The FALSCARA bonding stuff was $10. And then the eyelash remover was $6.50. These are designed to be put under your eyelashes so that they look more natural and the band won't be visible. So these are kind of like the dupes to Lashify. I think Lashify was the first lash brand that came out with do-it-yourself lash extensions at home. And those do last for like a week or so. I mean, I personally wouldn't know because I didn't try it out yet. But I've seen testimonials on Facebook and YouTube and Instagram, and people seem to really like it because they do last for a while. I have been seeing people on TikTok wear these for a couple days, but I wouldn't recommend doing that, just because the one time that I did glue eyelashes under my eyelids, a few lashes came off when I was taking them off. Probably should take these off at the end of the day like any other lash. Also, I have seen a lot of people glue eyelashes under their eyelash, but what they've been doing is gluing it on the waterline, and I think that's extremely uncomfortable. Okay, so we're just gonna open this up because I talk too much. So this is what they look like. Let me take off the top. Ooh, these are quite cute. Nice and fluffy. Okay. The ends are nice and tapered. The tapered ends just look way more natural and cute. Okay, I don't like reading that much. With gentle care, wisps are reusable. Wonder for how long. Okay, well, I'm just gonna start. So this is what the bond looks like. Here goes nothing. I think that's enough. Okay, it feels a little crusty. Oh shit. Okay, when you are putting on the bond, don't blink. Okay, I'm just gonna use my hands. I think I'm too slow. Okay, we got the first one on. I'm just gonna squeeze. Okay, that looks cute. Okay, I think I'm just gonna use my hands to put it on because I'm not so great with the tweezers. This is so hard because my eyelashes pretty much just grow downwards. Like my eyelashes are like this. I'm just taking the tweezers and pressing my natural lashes that have the bond on it with the false eyelashes. Oh, I just tried using my finger and it just stuck to my finger, so I think that you should definitely stick with a tweezer. Oh, okay, my eyelashes are fucking sticking together. Like the top and bottom lashes are sticking together. I think I might have to cut this in half. I don't like the lashes digging into my inner corners. Focus, please. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this in half. Like, I'm at my boyfriend's house and he only has these really shitty scissors. That's just what I'm gonna have to deal with. Sweetie, I hate your scissors. I just wanted to tell you that I hate your scissors.
I can get you better ones.
It's okay. It's too late.
Oh, sorry.
What a sweetheart. Okay, so this is what they look like on. That's kind of cute. So just zooming in really close. This is what they look like under. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put in the seal. So this is what it looks like. So seal the lashes. Okay, it's kind of cute. The fuck? I'm quite pleased. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the left side.
I
think these lashes are really cute. Anyway, I think that you should be careful choosing what lash to put on your eye because I just pretty much followed the rows that it gave me. Because I think that this eye looks less voluminous than this eye. Like, bruh. You see how there's more volume right here? But I think that's because I placed this one a little bit higher than this one. But I think I just need to practice more. Overall, I think they're quite cute. They are affordable and they do give you that eyelash extension look because there's no band visible. I wish I had an eyelash curler right now because I would curl them so that they can look like this. Right now they look like this. They're really long, but they're not necessarily that curly. I'm just gently tugging it to see if it's gonna come off. So it's quite sturdy on my eyelashes. Here's me tugging on them. I'm just pulling the fake eyelash and it is also pulling my eyelid. So you definitely know that there's a good grip. I do feel a little discomfort like on the corner here. I think that's because of where I placed it and also how my eyelash naturally just wants to go downwards. So like it's pushing the lash band into the corner of my eye. Given that this is my first impression and first application of the eyelashes, I think that if I practice a little bit more, I can perfect the technique of putting them on. But yeah, I would definitely recommend you getting these eyelashes if you really love that like bandless look for your eyes. I think it looks way more natural than like lily lashes. So yeah, you guys should definitely try it out. I don't have anything else to say about these eyelashes other than I'm glad I tried them. I've been looking at them for about like 2-3 weeks on Amazon and I was really hesitant about getting them because I just didn't want to believe the hype. I think this is definitely way better than gluing eyelashes onto your top waterline. I just don't think gluing things to your waterline is the best solution for anything. Okay, that's it for the video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what you guys would like to see next, and I'll do my best to get that out for you. Subscribe. Okay, yeah, I'm really done with the video now. I think my boyfriend's waiting to use the bathroom, so... Okay, love ya.
Bye.